Dickheads! Get a job!
It's just traffic, Richard. Fucking hell.
Let's do this!
We've actually got someone holding the camera.
That's a first, isn't it?
Yeah.
An absolute first.
Pinky Pao! Excitement. Well, tell the story.
What, a whole story?
That I mean from the beginning.
Oh God, we haven't got the time for the whole story.
I think we have.
No, I don't think we have. We'll cut a long story short then.
Oh, okay then.
Car was imported from Japan. Basically, it was an SR13 engine and running gear.
Yeah.
Came over. Unfortunately, the execution of the job wasn't very good. I know the idea was there and it all worked. It wasn't very good. It was never going to make it onto UK roads. Was basically.
It was a bit of a drunken barbecue build, I'd say.
100%, yeah. Basically, for want of a better word, if it had been done in America, it'd been a load of rednecks, a load of beer down, a bit of barbecue, and just decided they were going to build something in the back garden. Yeah, so we did put a lot of hours into the car. I would estimate we probably put around the 400 hours into it. Completely redid all the floor pans, redid all the engine, did all the engine work, a lot of chassis leg strengthening work, loads of stuff on this car. It went out, did some track days. Over the COVID period, the car's not really been out a lot, as no one's car's been out a lot over the last couple of years. So whilst this car has been around in this country now for like 3-4 years, it hasn't really been seen that much.
No.
They wanted to not necessarily go for a little bit more power, but there's a few things they wanted to look at now. So we've gone to 1000cc injectors. We've changed the inlet manifold, we've had to modify some boost pipe, we've had to modify some exhaust.
Yeah.
We've taken off the screamer pipe that it had on it, which, to be honest, no one really liked, so we've changed that just to a dump pipe and ran everything to the exhaust, so it's sounds a lot nicer, a lot smoother. We went back on the dyno with it. We've done some more mapping, which has been great over the last couple of days.
Some flames.
Had some flames. We sort of finished on 390 brake, which I think is amazing out of this car.
It doesn't weigh very much.
It doesn't weigh very much. Around 750 kgs is the car. It's got, like I say, got the SR20DET in it.
Mapped on Link G4 ECU.
Yeah, we've gone with a GT28 RS turbo. So we've gone on there. I can't remember which trim it was. I think it might have been the 81 trim, but don't quote me on that. But either way, a magnificent turbo, to be fair, on a 2 litre. Low down grunt, top end grunt. You know, they really do perform well.
It doesn't half shift this car.
Yeah, it does shift this car, to be fair. Very scary in rear wheel drive and being some short wheelbase. If it catches you out, it catches you out quick.
And obviously, you've got a steering position.
Yeah, you've got a steering position.
It's a little bit alien.
Yeah. So we'll get Dan on the camera and we'll have a little walk around it, I think, and then we might even do a road test.
Yeah. Thanks, Jason.
Whoa. Well, she's in there, isn't she? Look at that.
Yeah, very much in there.
It is, ain't it? It's almost a little bit hidden, isn't it? Tell us what you've done. Come on, Richard.
Well, we've just been through all that.
Oh, okay. Well, let's have a sweep across it. Look at that. We made that from that intercolour kit, didn't we? Mm-hmm. All the alley hard pipes.
Indeed.
Well, there we go. There's a sweep of the engine bay. Okay, so we're inside the car. It's got a digital dash. It's got some pinky shades and a pinky air filter. Now, if you guys know whose signature this is, you let us know in the comments below. Famous drifter of some description. What are we doing?
A road test.
Are we going out?
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to put my seatbelt on for this.
Get it on then.
Okay, I've managed to get my seatbelt on, so I'm not crying, as Richard says. And we're out. Walking out. We'll get nothing but traffic now. There's an MTS logistics truck. Hello to Mark Milner if you're watching the videos. How's my driving? With your eyes closed. No? No. Woo. Well, that was certainly fun. My heart rate is through the roof, but Richard seemed to enjoy himself. It's a quick car. It's a seriously quick little car, and yeah. Well, after that intense road trip out in Pinky Pao, I thought I'd show you the actual power figures. So here's the graph. Look at that. It's like a ski slope. It's epic. Lots of power, and we finish on 389 brake horsepower, which is 363 at the wheels. You work that out for a 750 kilo car. What a dramatic amount of power that is. Yeah, there we go. That's another one in the bag. And hopefully more to come from Pinky Pao, because it is a bit legendary around these Dynodaze parts. So hopefully we'll see it at shows, and we'll see it on track. And good luck to Lee and Sarah when they do finally get out there and kick its head in. Right, see you all soon.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.